Mr. Chair, konting katanungan lang po sa AMLAC. Meron po bang freeze order na in-issue ang ating pong Court of Appeals para po sa pag-freeze ng mga assets ni Alice Guo?
Yes, sir. That was the freeze order was issued by the Court of Appeals in July of this year, sir.
That was issued in July. Until when po yung validity ng freeze order?
The freeze order was extended by the Court of Appeals until January of next year, Your Honor.
Until January of next year,
Yes, sir.
2025.
Yes, sir.
Doon po sa freeze order, pwede po ba malaman kung anong subject properties ng freeze order?
Your Honor, we have the AMLAC has identified bank accounts, real properties, and personal properties, which includes motor vehicles and a helicopter, Your Honor.
So doon po sa mga bank accounts, ilang pong bank accounts ang subject po ng freeze order?
For the bank accounts, Your Honor, there were 88 principal accounts and 90 related accounts, Your Honor.
88 principal accounts and how many related accounts?
90 related accounts.
90 or 90?
90, Your Honor.
90 related accounts. Doon po sa mga bank accounts, magkano po ang kabuuang pera na subject po ng freeze order doon po sa mga bank accounts na yun?
The total peso equivalent that was frozen is more than 199 million, Your Honor.
199 million. You also mentioned a while ago that there were properties, real properties, that are also subject of the freeze order. Ito po ba mga properties na ito ay nakapangalan po kay Alice Guo?
It's under the name of the respondents in the freeze order. And some of them are in the name of Ms. Alice Guo, Your Honor.
Pwede ba malaman kung magkano ang appraised value ng total number of real properties na naka-freeze po ngayon?
The appraised value of the real properties is over 478 million, Your Honor.
478 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Aside from the cash in the banks, aside from the real properties that the subject of this freeze order, ano po ba ang subject of freeze order? May nabanggit po kayong motor vehicles. Pwede ba malaman kung magkano ang total amount of the appraised value of these motor vehicles?
The appraised value, Your Honor, is more than 76 million, Your Honor.
And mostly, ito pong mga motor vehicles na ito po ay mga sasakyan. Tama po ba?
That is right, Your Honor.
May nabanggit din po kayo isang helicopter. Magkano po yung value ng helicopter na subject po ng freeze order?
The estimated value of the helicopter is 63,911,000, Your Honor.
63 million ang value po ng isang helicopter. Other than that, mayroon pa po bang subject or na-freeze ang ating pong AMLAC?
Your Honor, well, if it's effectively frozen, there are properties which are now undergoing civil forfeiture, Your Honor. And I'm referring to the land in the Baofu, the land where Baofu compound is located, Your Honor.
Okay, bago po akong magtanong about dun sa Baofu compound, ito po bang mga properties na subject ng freeze order, pwede ba malaman kung saan po ito located?
Your Honor, for the real properties, there are 13 real properties. 3 are located in Bulacan, 7 are in Las Piñas, 2 in Tarlac, and 1 which is sold by Robinson's Land Corporation, Your Honor.
Saan po yun ang location?
I just don't have the area where it is located, but it's the sale involving Robinson's Land Corporation, Your Honor. Valued at 13 million.
So malinaw ho dito na yung mga properties are located in Bulacan. There are also in 2 properties in Tarlac, and yung pong nabenta ng Robinson's Corporation, tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Meron pa po bang mga ibang properties si Mayor Alice Guo sa iba-ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas?
What we have identified and which is now undergoing civil forfeiture, Your Honor, are the properties. There are 3 real properties located, and this is separate from those subject of the freeze order. 3 properties located in Maykawayan, and 2 properties in Tarlac, Your Honor, please.
Mr. Speaker, balikan ko po si Alice Guo. Meron pa po ba kayong mga properties dito po sa Metro Manila?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala ho. How about other parts of the country, Alice?
Wala po, Your Honor.
May nag-attempt ba na i-dispose o kaya i-dissipate ang mga properties na nakapangalan po sa inyo, sa korporasyon, or in any way related to you or any of the corporations na kung saan kayo po ay shareholders nung nagkaroon na po ng kontrobersiya patungkol po sa Pogo?
Wala naman po, Your Honor.
Meron ba kayong properties sa Alabang?
Meron po, Your Honor.
AMLAC, subject po ba yun ng freeze order?
Your Honor, based on the list that I have, which were frozen by the Court of Appeals, it appears that it is not yet included. But with that information, we will be looking into it, Your Honor.
Are you trying to sell the property in Alabang, Alice?
Your Honor, yung property sa Alabang, yan din po yung sa Las Piñas. The same lang po yun.
Can we confirm that from AMLAC?
Your Honor, we will look into that, the location of the property. May I seek a clarification if it is located in Las Piñas or in Alabang, as mentioned by Ms. Alice Guo, Your Honor?
Pwede nyo po ba, Alice, i-clarify kung yung property na nabanggit po ng AMLAC, which is located in Las Piñas, ay yun din po yung Alabang property na nyo pong binabanggit?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Thank you for that information. Aware po ba kayo kung ano po yung nature ng freeze order, Alice?
Your Honor, okay lang po. Consult lang po ako sa lawyer ko. Your Honor, I think lahat po nung na-mention niyo po sa akin na properties po kanina, those are filed na rin po by the AMLAC po. So I have cases po na rin sa AMLAC.
Yes, in fact, that is the subject of the freeze order issued by the Court of Appeals. Anyway, Mr. Chair, konting katanungan na lamang po, ano? Because meron pong mga reports na during the time that this controversy ay nung lumabas po ito, there were attempts to dispose the properties of Alice Guo or any property that is in any way related to you or to your corporation that you being a stockholder or a shareholder, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair. And that is why ito pong amount na nabanggit po ng ating AMLAC ay maliit pa po ito doon sa total assets na meron po at pwedeng ma-recover at pwede pong maging subject ng freeze order, Mr. Chair. And of course, may mga civil forfeiture proceedings na rin po na ipa-file ang AMLAC at isa po itong magiging warning na hahabulin po kayo ng batas if you tried to dissipate or dispose these properties that are related to any unlawful activities. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. I end my interpellation po.